there and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the very quick process of how I decorate this little side table, and then I'll show you how I've already decorated the rest of my living room for Christmas, continuing on in my Christmas decorating series for 2021. This video is part of the Glam Elegant Living Society Christmas Open Collaboration. We are hosted by Lady Allie that you see here in the top left-hand corner. Next to her is Petal is Bless, Cheryl of I Style My Style, Candy of DIY Design by CCW, and myself, Antonette of Antonette Decorating. I'm looking forward to seeing what everyone has done as part of this collaboration. I am linking the playlist in my description box, and I hope that you'll watch everyone's video. We're starting off here with a blank slate. I've cleaned off our tabletop. This is the last of my red lace placemats. I've used these throughout the house for my Christmas decorating. Aside from my MacKenzie-Childs inspired nutcrackers, this is one of my most favorite Christmas pieces. I believe I purchased this tree last year or the year before, and unfortunately I don't remember where it's from, but it's really cute. This really cute snowman family lamp. I absolutely love this. I purchased this many years ago at Party Light, and it's just like this little family of snow people here. It's a family of 3, just like mine. This last piece I picked up this year at Dollarama for $4. When I saw this piece, I envisioned it with this piece here because of the colors. We've got sort of that natural color mixed in with red, and I think it looks really perfect on this display. So let me show you now how I've decorated the rest of the living room. So on this cabinet, you can see what I have is a whole lot of snowmen mixed in with Santas. When I thought about doing this display and using these plates, I honestly thought these plates had snowmen on them, and when I pulled them out, I realized they had Santas. But the real idea about this display is that I've used a whole lot of check pattern. You can see black and white check on the Santa here, our tallest and most prominent Santa. That's our large dinner plate, and then our little appetizer plate, which is matching, has the same thing. All on top of this check courtly patterned runner. It's not real MacKenzie-Childs. I have 2 of them. You may have seen me use the other one in a recent video on my coffee table. And then this little guy here has some red and white check pattern on his hat as well. This is the box that my penguin salt and pepper shakers came from. They are real MacKenzie-Childs, and what I did was I flipped the box and I just put this snowman on top, so that acts as a riser. You can see he has some check pattern happening as well. So the only things without check are this snowman here and these 2 here, but I think they do blend in nicely. And then up here, I bought these 2 little votive holders last year, and they're just on top of my little sconces. So in this corner here, you can see I have this round table. I've definitely used it to decorate before. This is normally in my family room upstairs. When we do our Christmas decorating and we take out our Christmas tree, the pieces of furniture in the family get moved around. And so this has come down here. The top of that table will be used for my upcoming Antonette's Vignettes video, where I'm going to be doing a reindeer theme. And then on the bottom shelf here, just a really cute little candle holder, like a hurricane candle holder. And you can see another family of 3 snow people. So that's this corner here of the living room. You'll see to the upper left-hand corner a snowman hanging on the wall sconce there. That was a little DIY that I made last year. I actually made 2 of them, and you'll see another one hanging over here. I could not decide where to put these, and at the last minute before filming, I got the idea to put them there, and I think they really look pretty cute. In the opposite diagonal corner of the corner we were just in, I have a little bit of a nutcracker display going on there and just a little small display on the floor there. I have a tendency to group together things that are alike, and I think that's sort of the habit of a collector. We like to see like things grouped together. It's just really pleasing to the eye, but I have to admit, I have to learn to sort of decorate where I scatter things about more. And I'm going to try for next year, I promise. But for now, my little nutcracker collection is here. And I just have some assorted. These sort of medium-sized nutcrackers you're looking at here, most of them came from Dollarama and Dollar Tree. These little guys are actually Christmas tree ornaments. This guy here is just on a little stand. So is the larger one here. And they just look really cute there. Then on the floor next to that cabinet, I have a large sort of tall green vase in the back there with a bow on it and some twigs just coming out of it. I use that vase a lot. I've got this cute plush. He's a wind-up toy and he plays a Christmas song. So cute. That was actually from a friend of mine who is a subscriber, so I hope she's watching today. And that is placed atop this red candle holder and just a little red sparkly tree there. Then right beside this chest here that we just decorated, I have this DIY banner. In October of 2020, I did a Halloween banner that was quite similar, and it really was easy and a lot of fun. So I decided to make one for Christmas with red, green, and black cardstock, and then some candy cane striped ribbon right there. Then to the right of the window and the valance there, I have these great little paper Christmas ornaments that I found at Dollarama. I'm often dissatisfied with the empty space that's in this corner. So when I found these, I thought they were just adorable. I put them at varying heights and now they fill in the space really well. And this little floor lamp here, I just dressed it up with a bow. And then I kept it quite simple this year. I just put a little Santa's hat on a couple of pillows here, and I think that looks really pretty. So this is what my living room looks like so far. And I say so far because in the corner that you do not see in this room, I will be decorating one of my 2 Christmas trees this year, and that will be featured in my very next video. So I hope you'll join me for that. Thank you to the ladies of the Glam Elegant Society for asking me to be a part of this group, and I'm so looking forward to seeing their videos. I hope you will watch the playlist to watch their videos as well. Thank you so much for visiting me today.